Now coming to you from the SIS space station, it's astronaut Tyler.
Good morning, SIS students, and welcome back to Space Week. So far this week, we learned that humans are going back to the moon as part of the Artemis program, and about the International Space Station, and yes, how astronauts use the bathroom in zero gravity. Today we will learn about a cool way to remember the planets. But first, let's answer another of your most asked questions. How do astronauts eat in space?
Welcome back to Expedition 62 on the International Space Station. Tonight we thought we would show you a little bit about some meal prep, what we do for meals on board the space station. How do we prepare our food? So the answer is, we have a great variety of food up here.
Two different general types of food, thermostabilized food in these green packets that's very similar to military MREs or meals ready to eat. And then we also have freeze-dried food.
So all of the water content has been sucked out. This is just basic asparagus, so we need to add the water back in. We want to make sure all that water is mixing in, and then we usually put it here inside the food warmer.
And then we have refrigerated space here. They've been nice enough to allow us to use these just for food. All right,
Dinner
the dinner
time.
table.
Some Turkish fish stew. I have butternut squash.
All right, and I'm having, I have rice with butter, some lentil soup, and grilled chicken patty. A lot of the Russian food comes in cans. This was one of my favorites. This is spicy beef and rice.
Space makes eating a lot more fun. You can turn your spoon upside down, or even let it go, and nothing's gonna fall off. You can eat in any direction. I can eat upside down if I want to.
Wow! Eating in space looks like a lot of fun. Now let's move on to my favorite part of Space Week, learning about the planets. Do you know how many planets there are? Shout out your answer in 3, 2, 1. Yes! There are 8 planets, but if you guess 9, you aren't wrong either. Let's find out in today's Space Facts, followed by a fun song to sing along with. Pluto used to be called a planet, but in 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet because it's so small. When your teacher was your age, Pluto was the 9th planet. It takes Pluto 248 years to complete one trip around the Sun, much longer than Earth's 365 days. And that is today's space fact. Now let's learn a song to help you remember the other 8.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here in outer space. Today I would like to teach you a cool rap song that will help you remember the order of the planets. Feel free to sing along when you get the hang of it.
Yeah. The solar system, boy. The planets. Gotta know this, man. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? My very educated mother just served us noodles. My very educated mother just served us noodles. My mom was raised in a family of She was always told to serve better than the rest. She went to culinary school. She took the tests. My mom was always told to serve better than the rest. Hey, yo, my mom, man, she's everything to me. She seriously serves the best noodles in the galaxy. In our solar system, man, there's no comparison. My mom's noodles are way better than Sun, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. In Mars, Jupiter, they know her worth. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune too. All the planets know that my mom had a breakthrough. My very educated mother just served us noodles. 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 And don't you forget it. The planets, the sun, in space, they vote for my mom, her noodles, her recipe that she wrote. To the aliens, man, my mom sends them cans of her award-winning noodles. Sun, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. In Mars, Jupiter, they know her worth. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune too. All the planets know that my mom had a breakthrough.
My very educated mother just served us noodles is an example of a mnemonic phrase. Mnemonic phrases help us remember things by making word association. Let's look. In the phrase my very educated mother just served us noodles, each first letter of a word matches the first letter of a planet. This makes it easy to remember. And that is it for today. Remember to practice singing the song so you can remember the order of the planets. Have a great day.